The problem is decaying documentation, malformed frontmatter, broken links, inconsistent formatting, stale indexes, tedious maintenance that nobody wants to do, and few teams have time to do properly. Daemon Docs is a lightweight document maintenance system for Git-backed Markdown repositories. Here, we have a healthy documentation repository with extensive cross-document linking. Let's start the Daemon Docs daemon and try some renaming and movement operations. As the repository changes, Daemon Docs automatically rewrites the affected links. The documents keep their relationships without anyone manually searching for every reference. Daemon Docs uses Git history and content fingerprints to identify moved and renamed documents. For heavier transformations, repositories can also use stable document IDs as an additional source of identity. But the daemon does not need to be running when the damage occurs. This repository already contains broken references. Daemon Docs identifies the unresolved links and repairs the ones it can resolve safely. It also enforces document formatting policy. This file is missing required metadata and does not conform to the repository's document schema. A fix adds or normalizes the required frontmatter, preserves protected fields, and repairs the document structure. When a new document is added, Daemon Docs can integrate it into the repository automatically. The document receives the required metadata, appears in the correct managed index, and becomes part of the repository's navigable structure. Beyond this demonstration, Daemon Docs provides managed folder indexes, document schemas, formatting enforcement, orphan detection, reverse indexes into source code, safe move and rename operations, review history, configurable policies, and experimental semantic code map generation. Daemon Docs was built entirely through GPT-5.6, Codex, and agent-based engineering workflows. I acted as the product designer and lead engineer. I defined the problems, architecture, behavioral constraints, implementation priorities, and acceptance criteria. GPT-5.6 helped plan and coordinate the project using accumulated context from earlier engineering work. Codex and other agents implemented, tested, documented, debugged, and refined small, isolated workstreams. Their output was reviewed against deterministic tests, real repositories, and explicit safety constraints before it was accepted. Daemon Docs turns documentation maintenance from a recurring manual chore into repository infrastructure.